Why does your scanner show the P2120 engine code? What does it mean? P2120 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor or switch D circuit. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's PCM or ECM has detected a voltage reading from the accelerator pedal position APP sensor's D circuit that is outside of the normal operating range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective PCM. Wiring harness issues. Corroded or damaged connectors. Accelerator pedal assembly APPS malfunction. Malfunctioning throttle body. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Citroën models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.